Welcome to Trending Top, a different channel from those seen before. Let's start. Top the most luxurious and amazing watch. Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon. A watch created between the Italian brand and Jacob & Company. It is a miniature replica of the 16-cylinder 8.0 engine used by the supercar. It has 578 parts, including the crankshaft, all 16 pistons, and 2 turbochargers. For the first 5 seconds, it spins at 5,000 RPM. An extraordinary toy. Limited edition of 250 units. It costs $280,000. Urwerk Geneve UR120. The case of the UR120 has that typical Urwerk appeal, and despite its rather large dimensions on paper wears very comfortable on the wrist. This entire construction is part of and driven by the Caliber UR20.01, a new adaptation of the existing modular concept of Urwerk's proprietary movements. Changing things up from the textile or rubber straps from the recent models by Urwerk, this one comes on a black calfskin leather strap embossed with a ballistic fiber-like pattern, fitted to a titanium pin buckle. It costs $101,245.70. Ford Coppola's The Godfather. Created in official partnership with Paramount Pictures, the producer and distributor company of The Godfather, the opera Godfather utilizes its bespoke complication of 2 rotating drums with a total of 36 teeth turning against 2 combs to play a melody of 120 notes of the Godfather theme music. It costs $380,000. Gerald Charles Maestro 8.0 Squelette Limited Edition. Measuring 39mm across with a length of 41mm and a height of 8.35mm, the stainless steel case has a rounded octagonal shape with a pronounced double bezel. The screw-down crown, with its Clous de Paris, hobnail, decoration, ensures the 100mm water resistance of the case, an impressive feat given the slimness of the case and the irregular-shaped sapphire crystal protecting the movement. It costs $58,163.20. MB&F Watch HM3. The MB&F horological machine HM3 Megawind 35.WTL.B is encased in 50.6mm of 18K white gold and titanium surrounding 2 black dials on a black alligator strap. Features of this MB&F HM3 Megawind include hours and minutes. This MB&F watch also measures 17.6mm in thickness and 46.8mm from lug to lug. It costs $60 to $100. Panerai Special Editions Lo Scienziato, Luminar 1950 Tourbillon GMT Ceramica. Skeleton Hand Wound Mechanical, Panerai P. 2005/S Caliber, created by Panerai, 16¼ lineas, 10.05mm thick, 31 joules, Glucitor balance, 28,800 alternations/hour. Inca Block Anti-Shock Device. Power reserve 6 days, 3 barrels. 277 components. Bezel, black ceramic. Back, see-through sapphire crystal. Water resistance, 100 meters. Strap, Scamosciato dark brown, beige stitching, 26.0/22.0 standard size. It costs $87 to $139. The Jacob & Company. Astronomia Tourbillon Baguette Rose Gold Ruby. The Jacob & Company. Astronomia Tourbillon Baguette Rose Gold Ruby combines the iconic Astronomia forearm vertical movement that does a full revolution every 10 minutes above a base paved with 257 invisibly set rubies. The entire scene is clearly visible inside a 50mm 18K rose gold case with a domed crystal sapphire top and curved crystal sapphire side. This watch combines Jacob & Company's exceptional watchmaking and gem setting skills. It costs $1 million. MB&F Horological Machine No. 9, HM9, Flow. The MB&F HM9 Flow is a tribute to vintage cars and vintage aircraft. This 33-piece limited edition HM9 Flow Air is crafted from grade 5 titanium and spans 47mm in width and 57mm from end to end. Articulated lugs allow this large watch to wear comfortably on small wrists. Internally, the MB&F manufacture caliber is a manual wind mechanism with a 45-hour power reserve. The twin balance wheels are free-sprung and oscillate at 18,000 vibrations per hour. A geared differential averages the timing of the two balance wheels to optimize precision and minimize timing errors. This MB&F horological machine evokes vintage aircraft with its instrument-style dial and vintage cars with its sinuous bulges, compound curves, and organic volumes. It costs $440,000. Jacob & Company. Billionaire 2 with red ruby. The Jacob & Company. Billionaire 2 combines high horology with high jewelry. More than 177 carats of emerald and baguette-cut diamonds are set on the case, bracelet and dial. Equally impressive is the skeletonized dial with an hour and minute subdial and a tourbillon. The hour markers are set with baguette diamonds, completing this piece unique. It costs $7 million.
Thank you for coming this far. Subscribe to see more content like this. See you soon.